Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Brown in AI. Uh, I am Jackie Brown, just like the movie, your host, where we make artificial intelligence real. I am doing this. This is actually us taking a water break. We're taking a break. Um, because honestly, I've been up almost every night since they re-released Fable 5. I have ran out of usage for the second time. Oh, we had the expiration date for the promotion on the 12th. Once again, I was up all night trying to get everything I wanted to get built. Um, and I'm exhausted. I'm really exhausted. I know it's Thursday, and I will work on the video for Ebert transferring him to the BPS. I will work on it. But I wanted to put out something so I could stay within the algorithm for having me release something this week. But I'm going to wait to put out another video because I am exhausted. I was trying to use up as much I spent so much time trying to use Fable 5, building all kinds of stuff. I probably have to come back and let you all know. I did make GitHub repos for them so you can see them. But I wanted to get everything I wanted, I've ever wanted to do. I built my tiny large language model, um, especially since this whole thing with Fable 5. I just realized that I really wanted to do it. Now, it won't be anything like those. Uh, I'm training myself, so it's going to be very slow and probably very dumb. But I'm going to train it. I'm working with Claude to figure out, and Jarvis is trying to figure out what I want to train it on. But I have created a large language model with Fable 5. We will see how it works. Uh, I made the core. I made the core with Fable 5. And so now I can add on to it whatever I want it to learn. And so that is something I'm going to do. We will go back and try to figure out how to do the core, probably reverse engineer the core, so I can know instead of vibe coding what is actually in the core. Because I just kind of left it to paper 5. I told them everything that I wanted to do uh, is on my server. So on my home computer, on my laptop. So I can't take that long because once again, it's memory and it's bigger than Jarvis. So just with nothing on it. Well, there was a couple open source books, public domain books that uh, Claude wanted to test out to make sure that they could pull the information. So that's on there, but I haven't trained it on anything else. It's just sitting there waiting for me to get into it. So we'll go through that and we'll talk about that uh, one of these days. But we will finish the Ebert Sebastian Jarvis Pennyworth project. Next week, I'll do the BPS transfer, and then with that, it'll be on a cloud private server, so we can play with it more, do things with it, and see what it can do. Just in the few skills I've given it already. Um, I don't know anything else. I just wanted to get on here, like I said, for the algorithm, so that it will say that I did produce a video this week. So next week we'll be back to jumping with the. I think we're going to do a AI explained by AI video next, and then for Sunday, and then it'll go back to the AI basic series because there's more episodes in there that I haven't gotten to. But on here, we'll do the transfer of Ebert to the VPS and see how that goes. And we'll test it out to make sure it still works. Uh, but yeah, I've been just really trying to kill it with Fable 5, trying to use as much as I can. and just throwing him different projects that I really wanted to do that I knew would take up so much time, especially the bigger ones. I have hang on to some projects that I still want to build with you guys, but some of the back end things that would help me build faster and uh, have a direction of where I want to go with the builds. I did that with Fable 5 within the last few days. What's today? The 16th, so the 16th. So I've been doing them since the first when they re-released it. And doesn't sound amazing. It really sound amazing. It's been kind of hot here the last few days, so this feels amazing. And I just wanted to come outside. I have to go. I will see you all next week. Mwah, 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 mwah. Thank you. If you want to know what we do here, this is Brown and AI. I am Jackie Brown. I am a novice AI engineer, kind of multi-language language learning engineer because I am building my own large language model, tiny language model. And we build things through vibe coding, also learning as we're learning regular coding. I gotta go. I don't know if you can hear the puppies. So yeah, I will see you all later. I will see you next week. Be safe. God bless. Okay, one more thing. One more thing. Uh, we still have until the 19th to use Fable 5. So if you have not used Fable 5, you have until the 19th. They pushed it out a little bit longer. I know I stayed up all those nights and they keep pushing it out like dangling the carrot for us. That may be the thumbnail for this. It was Anthropic dangling Fable 5 in front of us. But I really like it. It's a really smart, fast, efficient model. I built quite a few things with it. It was worth all the late nights and trying to get this done. So yeah, so you have until the 19th. So go, go, go. If you haven't used it or if you're still trying to get done, if you're still out there doing stuff, I stopped. I have a couple of things that we're running, but nothing too big anymore. Because I got tired. I got tired and it moves really fast. It does. It's really good. Um, and so I suggest that you go out there and do it. Uh, and use it as much as you can before it goes to usage credit, which I really don't think it's going to stay on usage credit too long because of what OpenID with I think it's 5.6 or 5.5, 5.6. That's already in the subscription. So I don't think that Anthropic is going to have Fable 5 uh, on usage credit, extra usage credit for long because it just doesn't make sense business wise. I think they're just trying to stay within compliance of what the government wants. So, which, after people start transferring over, after the builders start transferring over and doing everything in CAD 5.6, ChatGPT 5.6. You know what I'm saying? I heard it's really good. I heard it's very similar. So they're just going to go over there and start building all the crazy stuff they want to build. So I don't think it'll be on usage credit. So we'll see. But it's a good model. After you're done, I'm going back to Opus 4.8 and continue building. Uh, I have taken looked at some of the lessons that people have published about how Fable 5 thinks and cycles through information and delegates information to different things and how it processes information. I have tried to download some of those skills onto Claude or into my system. So my thinking should be better, the memory should be better, recalling information should be a lot better. So I'm really excited to try like Opus 4.8 on with some of these new skills and see what it will do with that. But we want to get into it. We want to get into it. We want to get into it. We're going to build some really cool things. And I'm looking for people. I'm about to go. I'm looking for people to business owners. If you're out there and you want a operating system built for you, you don't want to mess it up. You won't find everything. Reach out. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I ain't gonna say I'm doing it for free, but maybe I'll do a contest or something. But I need y'all to comment. I need y'all to say something. I need you to, let me know. Uh, I have some motion on LinkedIn, but I need you to reach out to me. Let me know. Uh, if you have requested the ebook, I am getting to that. It will be out. I will send those out soon. I am so sorry. As I've been cleaning up everything, I've been trying not to uh, really push Jarvis, and I wanted Jarvis to read through it and look at it before I put it back out. Uh, and maybe I'll get some comments from Ebert to comment in there for us so he can give some suggestions on how to use AI and different tools to use. And so we'll have him do an executive or a celebrity edit on the book, and then I'll re-release it through the website, which is www.2062ai.com. Come check out your girl. And that's it. Third father of, have a good day. Have the day that you deserve. Uh, and I'll see you all next time. That's the last time for real. I'm serious.